don't post 5 videos in one go. Don't post 2 videos in one go. You need a break between each video you post. If you post 10 videos in one go, the algorithm is going to put you in jail, in the 100 view jail, or it's going to take you down to the previous jail. Like, there's a few jails you could be in. You could be in the 100 view jail, the 1000 view jail, the 400 view jail. And if you post too much, the algorithm doesn't give enough attention to all your videos. It kind of splits up the views between all those 5 videos you just posted, and then it basically puts you in new jail. So the idea here is to delay or schedule or just drop the video into some sort of automation that will split up the videos. So let's say you have 10 videos, you just filmed yourself making 10 amazing videos that you know are going to go viral. What you need to do is make a 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 hour delay between each one. I know it's tempting to post everything at once because it makes you feel that at least one of them will go viral. The problem is the algorithm kind of shares your views between the latest, like, let's say 5 minutes that you've just dropped. And so basically the way I do it anyway, just for a quick word of advice, the way I do it, I use an app called ZippyClip. I've talked about it a lot. If you go to the preferences section or the automation file menu on Mac or Windows, you can choose delay between posts, and then you can choose how many hours between each post will the post be published on. So I select about 2 or 3 hours between each post, and then I can use the folder automation within ZippyClip to basically drop the files into that folder all at once, and then it will automatically delay each posting for all of my channels. That includes TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and X, and it does it for all of them. So the app ZippyClip, not only does it AI edit your videos, but it organizes your videos to be published at the perfect time so that it won't get penalized for all being dropped at once. So if you go on walks and you film a bunch of videos, make sure you turn that setting on, because it's going to make the difference between getting lots of views and being penalized for over posting. If you want the tool I mentioned in this video, it's free, by the way. It's free to edit 5 videos on it, and you can add as many channels as you want into it. And basically it's amazing because you can organize your channels by group. So let's say I have my music channel, my AI music channels, I have my business channels, I have my personal channels, and for each of those I have a different delay in hours between each automation. So basically, let's say for my personal channel it's 1 hour between each posting, but for my business channels it's 4 hours. And so you can customize each group of channels and organize it. So follow for more insane tips to make sure that you can automate your AI video editing and also have your videos published in a timely way.